He lost everybody. December 15th, 2007. They say this is the start of their blizzard. It's been snowing since 8 a.m. It's about, I don't know, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's just now starting to freezing rain on us if you hear it. There they go. That's Brayton and Noah and Dakota. They have to be frozen solid.